Friends, welcome to Basic Maths. Today I will explain differential equations of first order and first degree. An equation which is in the form of dy by dx equal to f of x comma y or m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is said to be differential equation of first order and first degree. So the following methods are used to solving the differential equations of first order and first degree. So let us see the methods. They are: first one is variable separable method, homogeneous and non-homogeneous method, exact and non-exact, and last one is linear and Bernoulli's equations. So these methods are used to solving the differential equations of first degree and first order. So let us move to our first method, that is method 1, variables and separables. Variables and separables. So a differential equation dy by dx equal to f of x comma y is said to have variables separated if we can write in the form of xy equal to g of x by h of y. So here f of xy differentiation dy by dx equal to g of x by h of y. So cross multiplying, then h of y dy equal to g of x dx. So here y terms one side and x terms are one side. So integrating on both sides, then we get our general solution, that is integration of h of y dy equal to integration of g of x dx plus c. So here c is a constant. So this is the method of variable separable. First problem, dy by dx plus square root of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square equal to 0. So dy by dx equal to minus of square root of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. So here separating the variables, so that is dy by square root of 1 minus y square equal to minus dx by square root of 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square. So here y terms are one side and x terms are one side. Then integrating on both sides. So integrating on both sides, we get integration of dy by square root of 1 minus y square equal to minus integration of dx by square root of 1 minus x square. So we have one formula, that is integration of square root of 1 minus x square equal to sine inverse x. Sine inverse x. So by using this formula, here we get sine inverse y equal to minus sine inverse x plus c. Using this formula, here sine inverse y equal to minus sine inverse x plus c. So therefore finally sine inverse y plus sine inverse x equal to c. So this is our general solution of variable separable method. So next problem, y plus 1 cos x dx plus e power y sin x dy equal to 0. So by using variable separable method, so here in this problem divide both sides by e power y plus 1 sin x. E power y plus 1 and sin x. Then we get e power y plus 1 cos x by e power y plus 1 sin x dx plus e power y sin x by e power y plus 1 sin x dy equal to 0. So in this e power y plus 1 cancel. So cos x by sin x dx plus here sin x cancel, e power y by e power y plus 1 dy equal to 0. So integrating on both sides. integrating on both sides. So that is integration of cos x by sin x dx plus integration of e power y by e power y plus 1 dy equal to 0. So here I am using one formula, that is integration of f dash x by f of x dx equal to log f of x, log f of x. So here f of x equal to here sin x. So differentiation of sin x is cos x. So f dash x by f of x, and also e power y plus 1 is f of x. So d by dy of e power y is e power y, and constant value is 0. So therefore finally we get log of sin x plus log of e power y plus 1 equal to c. So here I am taking constant is log c. So therefore log a plus log b equal to log ab. So that can be written as log of sin x into e power y plus 1 equal to log c. So both sides log will be cancelled. So therefore general solution is sin x into e power y plus 1 equal to c. So this is the general solution of given problem. Next problem, dy by dx equal to e power 2 log x minus y plus x e power minus y. So in this e power 2 log x into e power minus y. So this term divided into two terms, that is e power 2 log x into e power minus y plus x into e power minus y. So both the terms e power minus y is common. Then e power 2 log x plus x, e power 2 log x plus x. So here e power 2 log x can be written as e power 2 log x is nothing but e power log x square. So here log base a. So finally that is x square. So therefore e power minus y into x square plus x dy by dx equal to. So by using variable separable method, separating the variables, so e power minus y will become e power plus y dy equal to x square plus x into dx, x square plus x into dx. So integrating on both sides. So integration of e power y dy equal to integration of x square plus x into dx. So integration of e power y is e power y, and integration of x square. So here we have one formula, that is integration of x power n equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x square, so here n equal to 2. So x square, integration of x square is 2 plus 1 3. So x cube by 3 plus integration of x is x square by 2 plus c. So next problem, x cos square y dx plus tan y dy equal to 0. Tan y dy equal to 0. So here x dx plus I can write tan y by cos square y. Tan y by cos square y dy equal to 0. So x dx plus here tan y into 1 by cos square y is nothing but secant square y dy equal to 0. So integrating on both sides. So integration of x dx plus integration of tan y into secant square y dy equal to 0. So integration of tan y secant square y. So in this also we are using one formula, that is integration of f dash x into f of x dx equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. N plus 1 by n plus 1. So that is integration of x dx is x square by 2 plus integration of f dash x. So here f of x is tan y. f of x is tan y. So differentiation of tan y is secant square y. So f of x into f dash x equal to f of x whole power n plus 1. So here power is 1. Then tan square y by 2 plus c. Next problem, 3x square y minus xy dx plus 2x cube y square plus x cube y power 4 dy equal to 0. dy equal to 0. So in this first term y is common. So y into 3x square minus x dx plus y cube, in this x cube is common, then 2y square plus y power 4 dy equal to 0. So 3x square minus x by x cube plus dx, x terms one side and y terms. So then 2y square plus y power 4 by y dy equal to 0. dy equal to 0. So then integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. So integrating on both sides, here integration of 3x square by x cube is nothing but 3 by x minus, that is 1 by x square dx plus integration of 2y square by y. So that is 2y plus y cube dy equal to 0. So here 1 by x is log x. So 3 log x plus 1 by x plus 2y square by 2 plus y power 4 by 4 equal to constant, that is c. Transform into the variable separable of substitution method. So suppose if the problem is given in the form of dy by dx equal to f of ax plus by plus k. So in this method we are using substitution method. So I am taking, this is equation 1. So put ax plus by plus k equal to z. So differentiating with respect to x, then we get a into d by dx of x is 1. So b into dy by dx, so constant value is 0, then dz by dx. So here b into dy by dx equal to dz by dx minus a. So then dy by dx equal to 1 by b of dz by dx minus a. So therefore substituting these value in equation 1. So then dy by dx value is 1 by b dz by dx minus a equal to, so here ax plus by plus k equal to z, then f of z. So dz by dx minus a equal to b into f of z, then dz by dx equal to a plus b f of z. So separating the variables, that is dz by a plus b into f of z equal to dx plus c. So then integrating on both sides. Therefore integration of dz by a plus b f of z equal to integration of dx plus c. So this is variable separable method by substitution. Problems on substitution method. So first problem, dy by dx equal to 4x plus y plus 1 whole square. So given y of 0 equal to 1. Y of 0 equal to 1. So therefore this is substitution method. So given dy by dx equal to 4x plus y plus 1 whole square. So here I am taking 4x plus y plus 1 equal to z. So differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x. So then we get 4 into d by dx of x is 1. So 4 plus dy by dx plus constant is 0, that is equal to dz by dx. So dy by dx equal to dz by dx minus 4. So I am substituting this dy by dx value in equation 1. So dz by dx minus 4 equal to, so here 4x plus y plus 1, that is equal to z, so the z square. Then dz by dx equal to z square plus 4, z square plus 4. So separating the variables, that is dz by z square plus 4 equal to dx. So integrating on both sides. So that is integration of dz by z square plus 4 equal to integration of dx. So here, so by using this formula, 1 by 2 tan inverse z by 2 equal to x plus c. So tan inverse z by 2 equal to 2x plus 2c, and z by 2 equal to tan 2x plus 2c, and z equal to 2 tan 2x plus 2c. So given y of 0 equal to 1, that is nothing but x equal to 0, y equal to 1. So here z equal to 4x plus y plus 1 equal to 2 tan 2x plus 2c. So x equal to 0, y equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2 tan x is 0, so that is 2c. So here this is constant will, I am writing 2c is nothing, 2c equal to c dash. So 2 equal to 2 tan c dash. So 2 cancel, tan c dash equal to 1. Then c dash equal to tan inverse 1. So tan inverse 1 can be written as tan pi by 4, because tan 45 is 1. So in place of 1 I am writing tan pi by 4. So tan inverse tan will be cancelled. Then c dash equal to pi by 4. So therefore 4x plus y plus 1 equal to 2 tan 2x plus pi by 4. Y by dx equal to x tan y minus x plus 1. So here put y minus x equal to z. So differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx minus 1 equal to dz by dx. dz by dx plus 1. Okay. So here substituting this value in equation 1. Therefore dz by dx plus 1 equal to x tan z plus 1. So therefore dz by dx equal to x tan z plus 1 minus 1. So both will be cancelled. So dz by dx equal to x tan z. Separating the variables, then we get dz by tan z equal to x dx. So integrating on both sides. So integration of dz by tan z equal to integration of x dx. So here tan z can be written as sin z by cos z. So that means cos z by sin z dz equal to integration of x dx. So here formula f dash x by f of x dx equal to log f of x plus c, log f of x plus c. So then we get here log sin z equal to integration of x is x square by 2 plus constant, that is c. So that is log of sin z value is y minus x equal to x square by 2 plus c. So therefore sin y minus x equal to e power x by 2 plus c. So log will become e power base. So this is the solution of substitution method. So I hope you are all understood this topic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.